Take your J-Tech training to the next level. The D.A.T.E program is your path to becoming an elite-level technician. This is the most advanced diesel training at J-Tech, designed for top performers. You'll train on an industry-supported curriculum built and backed by Volvo and Mack and aligned with real dealership and fleet environments and trusted by industry employers nationwide. J-Tech is one of only 3 schools in the entire country trusted by Volvo and Mack to offer the Diesel Advanced Technology Education Program. You will go beyond entry-level expectations by training on advanced systems, drivetrains, and complex diagnostics. This readiness cuts your path to master-level technician status in half. Are you ready to join the elite? Why choose D.A.T.E? It's simple: time and money. It's advanced training without years of extra schooling. You complete it as just one additional term after Term 7. That's one term for long-term impact. Not only does this save you time, you can earn better starting pay right away. In fact, some employer partners report an immediate 20% increase in pay out the door for D.A.T.E graduates. That's next-level earning. So what's in it for employers? D.A.T.E graduates are immediately seen by employers as advanced, industry-ready professionals. Employers love how it saves approximately 30 hours of initial training. So you can boost your career and really stand out from other job candidates. So how do you get in? This is an elite-level, prestigious program, so it's selective, not automatic. To earn your place, you must consistently meet the highest standards. That means maintaining a minimum 3.0 GPA and 90% attendance, along with strong professionalism and an instructor recommendation. So let's recap. Next level training, next level earning, next level employment opportunities. Join the elite. Talk to your instructor and career services advisor about your D.A.T.E roadmap today and earn your place in the program. Your next level destination begins with D.A.T.E.